So like for the next video we can again go here. So like now what would be our action? That our action would be like, I want to add some distributor into my database. So what to do now? Okay, so if I think about, like, yes, these are the like the distributors which already have here. So if I want to check the retailer information here, I can put here the retailer ID. There are some retailer information here: Akash Telecom, Jonathan Traders, Jeba Enterprise. I can just type the retailer ID 4. So I have say 4. Okay, so I have found that we have this four retailer ID actually represent us that the name is Rahimuddin. Okay, and that has been actually connected with three corporate clients, that is like the adhesive performer, Delta Distribution, and New Fabrics Icon. Okay, so uh, here what is going again, if I want to just go there, that because this actually exiting. So if I just again run this program, so now what is our target is to add some distributor here, or at some retailer or some corporate client. So now after running this code, I will just choose the option, that is the add distributor. So I want to add the distributor. I can just mention here the name of like Shotota Enterprise, and the contact info, like if I say about like what is the distributor cases, the contact info. Okay, so like I would say it could be like the Shotota, or like any like 880191568258. Okay, this is the mobile number. I would just type this. This is the region. This is Dhaka. So like what is actually shown, it has been actually added. Okay, the distributor added successfully. This message actually came, and the short of the enterprise, which ID is 202513. If I want to just search here, and I will definitely find the short enterprise. This is the 202513, and the contact info, that the mobile number what I have just inserted, that is actually right into the database. So in the same way, like if I want to create the retailer, so if I do the same thing again, we can run it again. Okay, if I run here, so like it's actually running. I want to add some like the retailer. Okay, so add retailer. Add retailer is the menu, which is the number 4 menu. Now I can add the retailer. The retailer name can be like Masood, sorry, uh, like I would say like Nasrin Traders. Okay, so the contact info, if I just go to the like retailer here, this is the retailer table. So if I just put the name like Nasrin at the red gmail.com, and if I just put the location like it's the Khulna. So what have just it has been written, the retailer added successfully, and here the 14 number retailer is Nasrin Trader. There is no retailer ID belongs to 14. So if I just now here run this code, then I will find, yes, the Nassim traders have been added here. So like here we can just add this retailer in this format. So we can also delete the retailer ID also. Like if I say like if I want to delete this number 8, the digital word. So like if I just put this number 8 here and enter, and it will be deleted. And if I just run here, and I will find there will be no like digital world. So this 8 number row is just deleted. Okay. So like if I say so, like as per the instruction, I require to add some queries, which is like to find some data, that is like how it is actually connected. Okay, it is actually connected with the multiple table. So I found some data like the find retailers assigned to distributor. So how I have done this. Okay, so this is just, this is what is like I had to do the distributor retailer, the concept, that is this is the table where I had to actually do this, the distributor ID, and this is the name of the distributor. So if I say like distributor retailer concept, okay, if I just want to see that how many retailers, I have to find those retailers actually connected with the distributor. So the code is here that I have just I have in the backend the code, which is for like the select query, that is actually here I want to mention. This is the select query I have um, mentioned here, that is like, yes, this is the query, like view retailers, and this is the actual query, like where I would find, this is the query that has a connectivity with the distributor and the retailer. This is the table. This is the query. Okay, so based on this query, I found here the name of that alpha distributor. It has a retailer one, but other distributor has still not, no retailer has been added here. Okay, so like now this was the query. Okay, the query result is given here. So like it's a very small database, so I have just this sort of little bit of data here. So if I run this again, and if I want to find other queries result, which will be given here also, I just need to check the time constant. Okay, we have 7.8 minutes. Okay, no problem. So like if I want to choose now the find the DSCs assigned to retailer, that is 15. So if I just press the 15, okay, so now I have to press the retailer ID. Okay, so I want to find this retailer. Okay, I have to just type the retailer ID, any retailer ID, to find that this particular retailer is connected with which DSC. So if I just type 10, if I type 10 here and enter, okay, so I found this particular retailer 10 quick service, each it's actually connected with this corporate clients. Okay, so like adhesive performer, delta distribution, new fabrics, icon, Shatota enterprise. So we have this distributor in our hand. Okay, so adhesive performer, we have the delta distribution, we have the new fabrics icon, Shatota enterprise. So how would manage this connectivity, that DSC, DSC to retailer? So if I just look back here, we can check that DSC ID has some connected connection with this retailer. Okay, so that retailer is also connected with the corporate clients. Okay, so like if I focus on the uh, retailer DSC relation and the distributor retailer relation, we will also find here that this particular retailer is connected with this distributor, and where the distributor, the retailer ID 10 is actually connected with that um, like a DSC. Those DSC is actually connected with this four distributors. Okay, so like here is the code which is actually given. So like there are other options, like if I want to find the distributor without corporate clients, so this is another option where we can find that which distributor, the distributor which has no corporate client. So we can find this also through this code. If we just check this here, like 16, enter. So these are the distributor we found from the system. Okay, so that is actually the distributor, and these are the corporate client which actually not connected with any distributors. Okay, so these are the corporate clients which actually not connected with any distributor to collect the cash from them. So it requires to give the emphasize on this distributor personally by Jonathan Traders that he must require to assign some DSC here who will perform the services, the cash collection service and other services from the distributor. So like I have just prepared this document, and before doing so, I had to do this thing like Jakarta persistence, where I put this the Jakarta persistence and the ORG Hibernate and MySQL connection. It's a Maven project, so that's the reason I have to open this persistence XML where I have to connect with my database, and this is the password, and this is the actually user which is actually connected and run this operation from the very beginning, and these are all of my classes here. So like it's, I would say like it's not a full program, but it's almost like a skeleton which has been I have which has been actually prepared. So like in the future it can be work so rapidly, and the primary work can be done very easily and support Jonathan traders in many ways. So I guess so. Like I have submitted this MySQL database, this schema sales underscore network, and this code in earlier. So I already have prepared this report. So I'm just going to submit this report with these two videos. Thank you very much.